Kylie. Kylie. Hey, look. Look. And Kyba in the background on his big toy. Sitting right there talking from a distance. Kylie. Come, baby. Pretty bird. I don't know why she does that. Kylie. Look at her face. It looks almost like a hawk or an eagle. Totally different from what Kyba looks like when you look at her straight on. Kylie. Any idea why she still picks at me like this? Sometimes she'll sit there and at other times it's like she's nervous. I don't know. I'm new to the bird world, so. Yeah! That was Kylie. Yeah, I'm talking about you. So what? You're on camera.